In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to remove devices that are logged into your Twitter account. Seeing the devices using your X account is important for maintaining security and privacy. It allows you to monitor for any unauthorized access. If you notice a device or location you don't recognize, you can immediately revoke its access. To do this, simply head to your Twitter account. You will want to tap onto your profile icon to head to Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, select Privacy and Safety. You will then head to the option of Direct Messages. On this page, scroll down onto the second last option of Manage Encrypted Devices. You will see all devices that had or currently have access to your Twitter account. Now if you come across any untrusted device, tap onto the X icon to unregister it from your account. This helps in reducing the risk of compromised data or unwanted activity. That's how easy it is to see who's using your X account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.